I am Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Inc. Limited. Marketing Director Angela. It's an accessory for the box. For this accessory, we also have various choices, like this one with a handle. It has the functions of a box, gift box, and a handbag. So if you have a physical store, you can consider this packaging method, which saves the cost of making paper bags. Like this one, it is used to hold wine glasses and bottles, so it has very high load-bearing requirements. This one is actually a folding box structure. It is a 7-piece folding box like this. It is unfolded for shipment. Some customers may wonder why it is made into a folding box. There is an inner tray inside which cannot be folded either, but compared to the height of the box, it only takes up 1/3 of the space. So it can actually save 2/3 of the space. Ship the box and the liner separately. The glass and wine glasses inside and bottles are very heavy. So the weight of the entire box is about 10 kilograms. So its firmness and stability are very good.